If you're the kind of person who likes to, go and see what's happening behind the scenes, under the hood or whatever, we can enter this container. Like I can do some Docker exec. For instance, let's go in that control plane node here, give me a shell, and we can see what's running in there. We can see that there is container D, and we are going to see there the API server, where are the other ones? There should be the controller manager, etcd, etc., etc. So if all that is going to be set up in there, like in etc Kubernetes, we have all the configuration file, the certificates, etc., etc. And again, maybe in that context, you're like, okay, what's the point? Well, what's nice is that you have lots of tutorials and things like that are going to tell you, for instance, hey, we're going to see how to mint a new admin certificate or whatever, and you will be able to do that just by entering that container. Most of these tutorials are like, okay, now you need to install Kubernetes on your own custom VM with kubedm, blah, blah, blah. Or you can just use KinD and it's going to give you the same, sorry, no pun intended, but the same kind of environment, and you just need to enter the container and you have everything there ready to go. All right. Okay, so as a conclusion, KinD gives me a way to have my cluster in Docker containers. Oh, and by the way, can I do something like maybe Docker stats to see how much resources this is using? So let's see. For the control plane node, you can see I need like about 600 megs of RAM. And yeah, that's consistent with that other control plane node, like about 600 megs. And then for the worker nodes, about 100 megs of RAM. So that gives us some baseline. And of course, this is for nodes that aren't doing anything, right? So as soon as you deploy your applications on top of that, this is going to grow. But that gives us an idea of what kind of resources we need.